So now what we're going to do is go into our theme settings. So you can click on the customize link right at the top, or what you can do is go back to your WordPress dashboard. And once you're back on the WordPress dashboard, to go to the theme settings, hover over appearance, and you can click on the customize link right here. And once you come to this page, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs right here, and these are your theme settings. And you're going to see a preview screen on the right hand side. So whenever you make changes to the theme settings, this page is going to refresh and show you what your WordPress website would look like if you save the changes. And then down here at the bottom, you should see some icons for different devices. So we have our PC, the tablet device, and the mobile device. So you can always check these to make sure that your website looks responsive. So what I want to do is just go through the settings that we select for our demo WordPress website, and also just talk about the other options that you have. And then you can pause the video, customize the theme settings however you want, and just push play once you're ready. You can also explore on your own. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the layout tab. And what you're going to notice here are that we have a bunch of different tabs. So if we just go to the header tab right here, and then click on site identity, this is where you can upload your logo. So we have a demo logo. So if we click on select logo, I'm in my media library and I can just select this logo image right here. If you want to upload your own logo, click on upload files and then click on select files and then upload your own logo. If you want to use the demo one, just select this image and click select. And if you need to, you can crop the image, but we don't need to do that. So I'll click on skip cropping. And now you should see the logo show up right here, and you can see that the website refreshes and now we have our logo right here. If you want to get rid of the site title, you can see that that section is right here. You can also update the site title and the tagline, but if you want to get rid of it, just click on this box to uncheck it, and now the site title is going to disappear. And if you want to add a site icon, which is the little logo that shows up over here and sometimes next to your URL, click on the site icon tab right here. And again, you can upload your own file. If you want to use the demo one, just select this one right here. And then just click on select. And you'll see that it gets uploaded. And down here now, this is where the site icon would appear. So if you do make any changes, I want you to always remember to click on the publish button or the save button to save everything. So that's how you upload your logo. And you can also customize your site title and tagline here. So let's go back. And just really quickly, if I go into the primary header, you can change the header layout right over here. And you have a bunch of different options over here. So you can always play around with this stuff on your own, choose whatever you want, see how it looks on the preview screen. And if you like it, click on the blue button right here. Same with the transparent header. If you want to enable that, go ahead and do that. Again, I like the default option, so we're not going to change anything. We're going to come back to the layout page and just come down to the footer section and come into the footer bar. And if I scroll down here, this is the footer bar. And I want to go into the first section drop down right here and change this to the footer menu, which we're going to create towards the end of this video. And then for the second section, I want to add the custom text. And I just want to change some of this text right here. So I'm going to delete where it says theme author. And I'm just going to type in NYC Tech Club. And what you'll notice is that the section is going to refresh. And now at the bottom, it says copyright 2019, my blog website powered by NYC Tech Club. I think that looks great. And that's all I'm going to do in this section. So once you're ready, come back to the main page and let's go into the colors and background. And what you can do here is choose the colors for your theme. So if we go to base colors, you have your theme colors, your link colors that you see right here. And when you hover over your links, they change to a different color. So you can go in here and customize the colors to be whatever you want. Just go in and change the color. Or what you can do is click on the wheel and drag this around, and then you can change the colors that way. So I'm going to change this back to the default color. But if you ever want to change anything, you can do that right here. So again, you can just see right here, if I change this link color, then this is going to refresh and my link colors are going to change to a different color. So pause the video if you need to play around with this stuff. We're not going to change anything here, but you can also go in and change your transparent color or add a background color. And then same with the footer bar also. I'm going to go back over here and just show you that you can change your font in the typography. If you wanted to, you can also change the heading sizes and the font sizes. Again, we go with all of the default options. We don't really change too much because again, I'm making a demo website, but if you want to customize your own website, you can do whatever you want. We're going to go into the menus tab towards the end of this video because that's when we're going to create our menus. So we'll skip that and we just have to go to the homepage settings right now. And what I want to do is set the homepage. So I'm going to click on a static page right here and then go into your drop down and select the homepage that you just created. And if you also created a blog post page, you can go in here and select that. And what that's going to do is set the homepage and the blog post page. So when someone goes to your website URL, they're going to go to your homepage. And then when someone goes to the blog post page, they're going to go to your blog page. So since we haven't created a blog post page, I'm going to leave this one blank. But you can see right here that I selected my home page right here. And now if I click the publish button, the home page is going to be set to just this page right here instead of the blog post pages or the recent posts. Okay, so let me just go back here and you can add additional CSS, which is code to customize your website if you need to. You can hire a developer, you can create your own code, you can do whatever you want. But this is your theme settings, and I have just showed you how to add your logo, set the home page, and then add your site icons and also change your copyright. We'll come back in here and change our footer and our header menu a little bit later, but we are done with this section, so we can move on to the next step. So if you need to, pause the video. Otherwise, let's move on. So let's click on the X right here.